Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, children. Most welcome in this mathematics class. Today we are going to learn principles to start addition. How to solve addition will be clarified today. But before starting addition, it is very essential to understand the rules belonging to it. It has been mentioned step by step. You need to note it down and follow it strictly. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then come to the point. Mathematics for standard to CBSE curriculum. Our topic is addition. First of all, you need to know definition of addition. What is the definition of addition? Addition is a way of combining two or more numbers or digits or quantities. In Hindi, you can understand दो या दो से ज्यादा संख्याओं के योग को जोड़ कहा जाता है. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय प्लस. इसे जोड़ के चिन्ह द्वारा अंकित किया जाता है. इट मीन्स टू फाइंड द टोटल. और जोड़ का अर्थ होता है योग, यानी दोनों को मिलाना, जोड़ना. This is the definition of addition. In next phase, you need to learn facts belonging to addition, which helps you to complete the process of addition. Step first. 0 added to any number is equal to the number itself. In Hindi, किसी भी दिए गए संख्या या अंक में 0 जोड़ने से उस अंक पे कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता. उसका परिणाम वह अंक ही या वह संख्या ही हो जाता है. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 + 0 = 1, 2 + 0 = 2, 3 + 0 = 3, 4 + 0 = 4, 5 + 0 = 5. For Hindi student, I am going to repeat it in Hindi. आपने देखा 1 में 0 जोड़ने से परिणाम में कोई अंतर नहीं हुआ, परिणाम एक ही आया. 1 + 0 = 1, 2 + 0 = 2, 3 + 0 = 3, 4 + 0 = 4, 5 + 0 = 5, so on. Fact second. While adding, first we add ones and then tens and hundreds and then higher units. As for example, you can see, if you want to add 37 along with 46, then you need to start addition from this side of 1, that is 1. O stands for 1. In Hindi it means इकाई की साइड, इकाई की तरफ से जोड़ शुरू किया जाता है. 7 + 6 = 13. 3 is here and carry 1. Then this carried number has been inserted to remember it well. Then 1 + 3, 4 + 4, 8. So result or sum is 83. This result is called as sum. In this way, this fact second becomes clear for you all. Fact third. While adding, if we change the order of the number, then the result will be the same. अगर जोड़ के क्रम में, जोड़ की प्रक्रिया में अगर क्रम को बदल दिया जाता है तो उससे परिणाम में अंतर नहीं आते हैं. As for example, you can see 1 + 3 = 1 + 2 = 3 and 2 + 1 = 3. Here the position of this 1 become changed in this second case, but the result is same. So it is essential to remember that while adding, if we change the order of the number, then the result will be the same. And fourth fact is this, that the result of addition is called sum. The result what we get after addition is called sum. Here it is sum. As for example, I have shown here 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. This is called sum. And further I am going to instruct you, the numbers or digits what are selected to add are called addends. In fifth case, digits or numbers selected for addition are called addends. पर हिंदी भाषी छात्रों के लिए यह जानने की आवश्यकता है, जो दिए गए संख्या या अंक जोड़ के लिए होते हैं, यानी चयनित किए जाते हैं, जिन संख्याओं को आप जोड़ के लिए चयनित करते हैं उन्हें एडेंड्स के नाम से जाना जाता है और उसके परिणाम को सम कहा जाता है. In examination, if a question comes that what do we call the numbers which are selected for addition, then you have to write addends. And if a question comes what we call the result of an addition, then you have to write answer sum. Now we will complete the process of addition by keeping all these facts in mind. Example 1. Add 37 and 46. So what do we do? 37 and 46. In case of 46, we just start rule number second. That is, you have to start from the side of ones. This is side of ones. And this is known as इकाई की तरफ से. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So 13. 3 is here and 1 is carried to 10. And consequently it is added in 3. So it becomes 4 and 4. Yeah. You get the result 83. This is the easiest way to remember how to add the given numbers. In this way, you cannot commit mistakes or blunder in calculation. Example second. 39 plus 11. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 0 is here and carry 1. Then 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is 50. This is the sum and these are addends. This is your homework. You have to add at home 33 plus 49, 47 plus 48. So this is essential instructions for participating in the chapter of addition. In next class, you will learn more about addition with examples and practicals. Thank you very much. All the best.